Good morning, dear students. Again, we'll continue with the problems on Laplace transform. So the problem is find the Laplace transform of cos t into cos 2t into cos 3t. So you can find here multiple of three functions are there: cos t, cos 2t, cos 3t. So we need to simplify this first by using trigonometric formulas. Then we can apply easily what here Laplace operator. So solution. So here first we'll collect what is f of t. So f of t is cos t, cos of 2t, cos of 3t. So multiple of cos t, cos 2t and cos 3t. So now we'll apply first. So we know that what is cos of a into cos of b formula. I want to say here. So cos of a into cos of b, that is 1 by 2 times it is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So we'll apply this formula for first two and we'll keep the third one as it is. Just see how we are going to simplify. So f of t is equal to, I am applying the formula for first two, that is cos t into cos 2t. We'll apply cos a cos b formula, and cos 3t will keep as it is. So what happens here? So if I apply for first two, so it will become 1 by 2 times bracket cos of a is t, cos of b, that is 2t, plus cos a minus b, that is cos of t minus 2t. Okay, so this I have applied the formula only for the first two. So I will put a bracket into cos 3t as it is. So you have to be careful while applying such kind of examples, and important for examination also here. So once we got this, so we can go for simplification here. So therefore what happens here? So it will be 1 by 2 times bracket cos of t plus 2t is cos of 3t plus cos of t minus 2t is cos of t into cos of 3t. So further again I want to simplify. So it is 1 by 2 times cos of 3t plus cos of minus theta is always cos theta. So therefore the same property will apply. Cos of minus t will become cos t into cos of 3t. Now again we need to simplify here. So for this what we'll do here, we'll again multiply this cos 3t to this complete bracket. So it will become 1 by 2 times cos 3t into cos 3t. So cos 3t into cos of 3t, fine, plus cos t into cos 3t, cos t into cos of 3t. So again on simplification, so we need to apply again the formula here, cos a cos b. Here also we need to apply cos a cos b, same formula we need to apply here. So therefore this 1 by 2 will keep completely outside. So cos a cos b formula. So for this 1 by 2 times, I am writing directly cos of a plus b, it will become 3t plus 3t, it will become 6t, plus cos of a minus b, that is cos of 3t minus 3t, it will become cos of 0, plus, so I am applying the formula for cos t and cos 3t, that is 1 by 2 times cos of a plus b, it will become cos of 4t, plus cos of t minus 3t, it will become cos of minus 2t. Hope you understood. that is nothing but 1 by, so this 1 by 2, 1 by 2 if you take out, it will become 1 by 4. So it will be finally cos of 60, cos of 0 is 1, plus 1 by 2 already we have taken out, cos of 40. So cos of minus 2t will be again plus only, so plus cos of 2t. So we got the simplification of cos t, cos of 2t and cos of 3t in the form of cos 60 plus 1 plus cos 40 plus cos 2t. If you want, we can rearrange, or else we can go directly Laplace transform of this. So therefore take Laplace transform on both the sides. So Laplace of f of t is equal to 1 by 4 is a constant, bracket Laplace of cos of 60 plus Laplace of 1 plus Laplace of cos of 40 plus Laplace of cos of 2t. So therefore on simplification, so that is 1 by 4 Laplace of 60. So because Laplace of cos 60, because of cos, s will come, s divided by s square plus 6 square. Laplace of 1, which is a constant or any number I can say, so it is 1 upon s, plus Laplace of cos 40 will be, again because of cos, s will come, so s divided by s square plus 4 square, plus Laplace of 2t because of cos, Laplace of cos 2t because of cos, s will come, so s divided by s square plus 2 square. So therefore on Laplace of f of t, final simplification, so it is Laplace of cos t, cos of 2t, cos of 3t is equal to 1 by 4 times s divided by s square plus 36 plus 1 by s plus s divided by s square plus 16 plus s divided by s square plus 4. So this is the result of the given Laplace transform, that is L of cos t into cos 2t plus cos 3t. So remember, so we need to apply first the trigonometric few results to get the results of Laplace transform. So we'll see the next example as next example is find the Laplace transform of 3 root t plus 4 upon root t. The solution. So here our f of t is 3 root t plus 4 upon root t. So we'll simplify first. 3 into root t can be written as t raised to 1 by 2 plus 4 divided by this root t can be written as what here, t raised to 1 by 2. So on simplification, 3 into t raised to 1 by 2 plus 4, this 1 upon t raised to 1 by 2 can be, if you take it up, it will become t raised to minus 1 by 2. So now this is ready to apply Laplace on both the sides because we have simplified. Take Laplace on both sides. Laplace of f of t is equal to 3 is a constant, Laplace of t raised to 1 by 2 plus 4 times Laplace of t raised to minus 1 by 2. So as we have discussed in the previous lecture, that this power of n is here what in the form of fraction, so we gamma operator will come, so 3 into, so it will become gamma of n plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 times gamma of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So on simplification we will get this result as three into, so this gamma of 1 by 2 plus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2 divided by s raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 will become 3 by 2 plus 4 into, so because of this minus sign, first we will simplify. So gamma of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but it is directly 1 by, because minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is gamma 1 by 2 inside the gamma divided by s raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but s raised to 1 by 2. So therefore 3 by 2, this 1 by 2 I have taken like that. So 3 by 2, gamma of half is nothing but root pi divided by s raised to 3 by 2. Okay, this 3 into this 1 by 2 I have taken. So gamma of 1 by 2 is nothing but root pi and s raised to 3 by 2 as it is, plus 4 into, again gamma of half is nothing but root pi. This is your beta and gamma result. We are applying directly root pi divided by s raised to 1 by 2. So you can simplify, or else you can keep as it is by taking any common. So this is the L of f of t. So L of f of t is nothing but it is what here, 3 root t plus 4 upon root t, which is equal to, so I will take common things outside. So here common is I can say that here e raised to s raised to 3 by 2 can be written as s raised to 1 by 2 whole cube also. Okay, or else what I will do here, so just for, you can stop here also, or else just I want to go further one more step. 3 by 2 root pi divided by this s raised to 3 by 2 can be written as s raised to 1 by 2 into s also. Okay, if basis if you add the powers you will get back 3 by 2 plus 4 root pi divided by s raised to 1 by 2, just to take common. So I will take root pi common and s raised to 1 by 2 common. So what left inside here, it is 3 upon 2s plus 4. So therefore I can write s raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but root s. So I will take common root. So pi upon s, 3 upon 2s plus 4. So this is just if these questions are very important for your GATE exams also. So to get a final result for your multiple choice and all, so just I have simplified this like that. Okay, or else you can stop it here also, or else you just simplify like that. So in this way the problems will work out based on this Laplace transform.